Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of randomness in Python. So buckle up as we explore the versatile capabilities of the random module and uncover its hidden treasures. So first thing, let's talk about randomness. In programming, randomness refers to the unpredictability of outcomes. And in Python, we have the perfect tool for harnessing the randomness, that is the module. So let's get started. Let's see how to import a random module. And with the help of random module, we can generate random numbers, shuffle sequences, and select random elements with ease. So let's start with generating random numbers. So let's write a program to generate a random number between 1 to 10. Shall we? Let's see. So random or num random. Let's print this out. Print random. So what we have done here is we have imported random module, and here we have used the function in random module, that is ran in 1 to 10. So what it does, it generates a random number between 1 to 10. So let's try running, and here it prints it out. So let's print this out. Hope it works. So I've generated 4. Let's print this out again. 2. Let's print it this out again. So here you can see it is generating random numbers between 1 and 10. Pretty neat, right? With just few lines of code, we have introduced randomness into our program, right? So it is not just about numbers. Sometimes what we need to shuffle the sequences or select a random element from the list. But how are we going to do that? Let's see. So let's write a program to shuffle list. Okay, let's call it list. Let's declare my list. Perfect. Declare the list and let's shuffle them. Start to run this. None. Uh, Program was giving none as an output, so I figured out why was it giving it none. So it is resolved. So let us print out my list. Let's run this. So here you can see the whole list is shuffled. So what have we done here? We have imported random module. We have declared a list. In this line, we have shuffled the list and we have printed out the output. So that's it for how we shuffle the list. Now let's see how we are going to select a random element from a list. So now let's write a program how to select a random element from the list using random module. So first let's declare a list. A list, give it random values like 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's declare a variable, random element. With the help of random module, we'll call a function that is choice, and we put in our list in the parentheses, and let's print out our random element. Spin this out. Let's say made a spelling mistake. It is there was a spelling mistake. Sorry about that. So random dot choice have given output as 1. Let's run this again. 3. Let's run this again one more time. 2. So every time we are running it, it is generating random values from random elements from our given list. And there you have it. So see how it was easy for to add randomness in our program. So thank you for joining us on this exploration of randomness in Python. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you all.